good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar on the daily chart, we can see that it's a bullish trend as the market has broken the lower high, forming the first high, and the first high was broken again, forming the second high with a trend confirmation of bullish movement. Head down to the 4-hour chart, we can see that on the 4-hour chart, the market also show and indicate the same direction, and likewise for 1 hour. So let us head back to daily chart while I share with you my analysis. On my analysis on the daily chart, this is the buy zone. I'm looking for a buying opportunity within this zone. Head down to the 4-hour, the bigger cyan box is the daily chart, and this is the consolidation in the midst. So I'm waiting most likely within this box for a buying opportunity, be it on the 4-hour or 1 hour time frame. So if you love to see the development of this trade, join us live on Facebook this Wednesday, Singapore time, 6:08 p.m. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trail plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.